Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to Pop That Box. My name is Mike, and today I have a mystery box from Chalice. Welcome back, YouTube. So before we start this unboxing, could you like the post, because we're gonna find out who won the King Hiss and Beachhead giveaway. I have all the names written in this art stack, and let's find out who's the winner. Elongated Bus, you're the winner, and I will message you soon, and we'll find out what you won. Now let's move along to the unboxing.
Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape.
All right, YouTube. So I have the Chalice mystery box right here. Let's figure out if I got a grail or not. Here's the first pop. Notorious B.I.G. with Crown, number 82. This is a 20-year anniversary Toy Tokyo exclusive. And if you don't know who the Notorious B.I.G. was, he was a gangsta rapper from the East Coast. And his record label was Bad Boy Entertainment. Bad Boys for Life. And here he is, shining gold out of the box. I'll let you enjoy Notorious B.I.G. with Crown out of the box. So far, so good in this mystery box. From the movie Silence of the Lambs, Hannibal Lecter, number 787. This is a Pop Movies, and if you don't know who Hannibal Lecter is, he's a serial killer that loves to cannibalize on his victims. And here's Hannibal Lecter out of the box. And in this scene, he has taken over and he's about to murder. I'll let you watch the movie to find out. Enjoy the pop out of the box. I think I have that pop, but the bloody version. So it'll go well with my horror set. Momo Yaoyorozu, number 605. This pop is a pop animation from the animated series My Hero Academia. And Momo, she has a unique quirk. She can make any non-living object from her body. Any part of her exposed skin can turn into whatever she wants. Here she is, out of the box. And the reason why she's wearing that outfit is because it helps with her powers. The more exposed skin she has, the bigger the object can be. So enjoy Momo Yaoyorozu out of the box. Another pop to go with my Hero Academia set. So this mystery box is going pretty well so far. Hello Kitty Space, number 42. And this Hello Kitty series is a Hello Kitty X Kaiju mix. And if you don't know what a kaiju is, it's a legendary monster from Japan, like Godzilla and whoever else Ultraman likes to fight.
These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time.
And here's Hello Kitty Space out of the box. So here she is, wearing her space armor. And there are many other animated series that have kaiju. I'll let you enjoy Hello Kitty Space out of the box.
Into the great unknown, escape to a world we don't know, escape into the great unknown.
From the TV series La Casa de Papel, Berlin. This series is from Netflix, and La Casa de Papel means the house of paper. And in this TV series, it's about money heists. And here he is, out of the box. He's wearing his one-piece jumpsuit, ready for action. And I'll let you enjoy Berlin out of the box.
These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape.
I haven't seen that TV show yet, but I think I'm gonna check it out. And now here's the last pop in this mystery box. From the Marvel movie series, Avengers Endgame, Iron Man. I Am Iron Man, number 580. It's a PX exclusive, and it glows in the dark. And in this scene, he has taken control of the Infinity Gauntlet. He's about to snap his fingers and save the day. And here is Iron Man, I Am Iron Man, out of the box. And I'll also let you enjoy him out of the box.
Close through the night. I won't let go until the sunrise. These open highways.
I already have this Iron Man. Have two actually, but this one can go to a giveaway. Yeah, how about we do that? Let's have a giveaway for this. So like, subscribe, and comment why you should win this prize. Alright, YouTube, well, that's all the pops I have for you today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment why you should win this prize. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you next Thursday. But hold up, have you seen Monday's montage? I took the rest of the pops from The Maxillorian and made a montage out of it. I hope you like it. And this next video is recommended to you from YouTube. Peace.